This is the auto marking system I have here in the locksmith shop. I have it set up for doing keys. I'm going to do a couple keys with master stamped on them. I'm doing a little master key system down the street. There we go. And I'm the only locksmith shop that I know of that has an automark system set up for doing keys. My plate will do 12 keys at once. I design little programs in order to do it, so it's very quick. I do a lot of lake associations where they want serial numbers stamped on the keys, or high security key systems with serial numbers. And it beats my other stamping machine, which is this one right here, where you actually have to dial